Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Audi Q7. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a Tiptronic transmission. This Audi has less than 160,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include towing package, air filtration, front air conditioning, automatic climate control, airbags, auxiliary audio input, Sirius satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth. Spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, and sunroof.